Hi everyone, are you ready to improve your English speaking skills? In this video, I will explain the rules and provide examples to help you apply the formula correctly. Let's get started. In today's video, we are going to learn do, does, and did. First, we learn do. Do used with I, you, we, they in present tense. Examples: I do my homework every day. I do my homework every day. Another example: you do a great job. You do a great job. Another example: we do love playing music. We do love playing music. Now come to the does. Does will use he, she, it in present tense. Examples: he does his job well. He does his job well. She does love reading books. She does love reading books. It does matter to me. It does matter to me. Now come to did. Did used for past tense with all subjects. Examples: I did my homework yesterday. I did my homework yesterday. You did a great job. You did a great job. We did love playing music. We did love playing music. He did his job well. He did his job well. Now come to the main points of today's video. Do and does are used for present simple tense, while did is used for past simple tense. Does and do is used for question and negative in the present tense. Examples: do you like coffee? It is question. I don't like coffee is a negative sentence. Another example: does she eat breakfast? Question word, question sentence. Another example: she doesn't eat breakfast. It is a negative sentence. Now, did is used for question and negative in the past tense. Examples: did you go to the party? It is a question sentence. I did not go to the party. It is a negative sentence. Now, that's it for today's video. Keep practicing and you will see improvement in your English skills. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful content. Bye.